back to my channel. So if you haven't liked, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I did short passion twists. What you're going to need is some shining gel, rubber bands, and your oil of choice. So I'm going to be doing two methods, the crochet method, and I'm going to be using the water wave here. I use 6 packs. So right here, I'm just going to oil my hair. Don't like to have no dry hair. Make sure your hair is nice and moist with oil or whatever you want to use. So I'm also going to put some gel in it because my hair does get curly. So I'm going to put more gel to stiffen my hair a little bit more and it won't be that much of a fluff. So I'm going to get 2 strands of hair and start the braid on twist. So I'm going to braid halfway through. So I'm going to grip it tight and braid all the way, not all the way down, like maybe like 4 braids in. And then I'm going to separate my hair into 2 and start to twist tightly going down. I'm going to twist and twist my hair at the same time. So twist and twist your hair. So you're going to do it real tight, and hopefully you guys can see that. And I'm going to add some more gel and continue twisting tightly going down. And I'm going to like twist and tighten it up a little bit. I don't know how to say that. I twist and then pulled it more going up. And then I'm just going to make sure it's the right length, and then grab a rubber band and put it at the end of my hair. And there you go. Once you do that, I'm going to cut it to length or whatever. And yeah. So I'm going to bring it up some more because it wasn't like the proper length, and then I'm going to cut it. And as you cut, when you let go of the hair, it might unravel a little bit, but that's the look you might be looking for with the passion twist. So yeah, that's the braid method. That's the first method, and that's the one I like the most, really, because like you get to grip it more. But I'm going to show you another one. Right here, I'm going to oil my hair again and get them ends, because no dry hair over here. Then I'm going to put some gel on it once again. Grab 2 pieces of hair. And I'm going to show you guys the crochet method. It's pretty easy too. You just put your crochet needle through your part, and then you hook on the hair and slide it through. And then one side is going to have 1 piece of hair, and then the other side is going to be the other piece of hair. So on both sides you should have 2 pieces of hair. And then you wrap it around, so to hide the rubber band, you wrap the hair around 1 strand, and then you begin, you just wrap it around twice. Wrap it around twice, and then you begin to twist, separate your hair and twist it. And don't forget to twist tight, because these twists will unloose when you let go. So you have to twist your hair and then twist tight. So yeah, that is the 2 methods. I like both of them really, so I did it throughout my hair, like a little bit of braid and a little bit of the crochet method. So yeah, I kind of messed up with that one. But yeah, these twists are super easy. I think you guys are watching should try them. If I can do it, you can do it. Because trust me, I'm not a professional. Look at me, I messed up. And yeah, but I'm sorry I did half of my hair off camera because I didn't know if I wanted to record or not, but I did. So I did 2 methods, the braid method, which I just said, and the crochet method throughout my whole hair. So yeah, so I'm gonna cut the length, and I always cut long because I don't got no time to be messing up my hair, so I cut long and make sure it's correct. And here's another piece for you guys. I'm gonna show you guys another method, but first I'm gonna oil my hair like always. And I think someone wants to say hi. Nope, you don't want to say hi. So I'm gonna show you guys the crochet method again. So 2 pieces of hair, and you put it through your part, and you put your hair on the loop, and you close the latch. Then you put the hair through. You should have 2 pieces of hair. Up there's Eli, my little boy. He is so adorable. So right here, I'm gonna put some gel on my hair, and then I'm gonna make it a little bit more tighter, secure it some more, and then I'm gonna wrap the hair around twice. Wrap it around twice, and then begin to twist. Twist tightly, you guys. You have to twist tightly because when you let go, it's gonna unravel. So you twist tightly going down. Add the gel. And I'm sorry I'm looking off camera because my mirror is right there. So yeah, that's why I keep looking away. So you twist tightly going down, and at the rubber band at the bottom, at the end, and you cut the length. So yeah, got 3 parts left, and I think I'm gonna show you guys another one because I'm not sure if my camera died after this, but I think I am gonna show you. I think I'm gonna show you the braid method. So right here is another method, the braid method, and you just braid going down. And after 3 plaits, I messed up right here. So after 3 plaits, you part your hair after you plait it down some, then twist. Hopefully you guys can see that, but yeah, you twist tightly going down, and yeah. So those are the 2 methods. I'm going to stop talking after this because it's self-explanatory. Plus, I'm not for sure. I think my camera did die. So I finished the rest of the 2 parts off camera. So now right here, my camera did die, so right here I'm gonna be doing my baby hair for me to go to sleep because my hair is slayed. I did it myself, saved me some money, and I'm not doing it perfectly. I'm just doing like a quick, like, you know, little something. I don't know what the heck, but I'm doing something. But I got my baby hair looking nice, so here's the twist. Yep, so the twist is all done, and right here I just wrap my hair for bed, and I'm gonna show you a clip of how it looked after the next day. So yeah, you put your bonnet on, your scarf, and you know, prep it for bed. So these twists, I had it in for like, I guess like 2 days now. It is super bomb. I love them. It's nice and short. My kid ain't gotta come at my hair all day, but I ain't trying to look cute right now. Got my freaking hoodie on. It's raining, so my hair is cute though. But these twists were super easy. It blends well with my natural hair. My cousin thought it was my real hair. I'm like, girl, this is passion twist. I did, girl. But these twists are bomb. Real nice. I'm not editing them, but I got baby hair, but whatever. But it's cute, super easy to do. Took me 3 hours. It's really lightweight, like it feels like I'm floating. And yeah, it's cute, it's easy. You guys should try it, and hopefully you like this video and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.